Hi everybody. Well, I thought it would be fun to bring you behind the scenes here at the garden farm. We're coming into mid-March. I live in the north side of Atlanta, Georgia, and this is a very hectic but very fun time of year for me and my daughter Amy and some volunteers as we get all of these seedlings potted up. Everything started from seed, but they all get potted up about mid-March in preparation for our big annual Garden Farm grown sale of organically grown seedlings and peppers and tomatoes and herbs. And trying to get the timing right is crazy. But what you're looking at right here is approximately 4,000 seedlings. Most of them have been potted up into their containers that they will go onto the table for the sale, but we still have 6 72-cell soil block trays that still need to be potted up. Now, if you do the math on that, it doesn't look like much right here, but I think the math on that is in the 780 range. I'd have to get my calculator out again, but just that little footprint right there is another almost 800 plants that still need to be potted up. So what have we done? We have started organically grown tomatoes, peppers, and herbs, and the timing of all of that happens as early as late December. Like with the hot peppers, they take such a long time to get to a mature size that's viable for sale that I start those in late December. And then the sweet peppers get started about mid-January. The tomato slicers get started about mid-February. And then the cherry tomatoes that we grow and the dwarf tomatoes, they grow really fast, so those get started later on in February. But the whole goal of all of this is to time it so that everything, no matter when it was started, looks really good, kind of like their optimal size for sale day. And that's very tricky, obviously, because Mother Nature is really the one in charge, and I just try to give her a run for the money and try to adjust on the fly as I'm able. And that's very stressful, but it's kind of fun too. All right, so we have got so many plants right now, and the greenhouse is only so big that we've gone into overflow mode because I can't help myself, and I always start more than I have room for. So we've resorted to a portable trailer outside with a shade cloth on top, and then table set outside on the other side of the greenhouse. And that's a temporary fix until I come up with a long-term solution or a multi-week term solution. But that's in the works. So what happens from this point going forward until sale day or days, which happens in early April? Well, I have to do a complete inventory of everything. Once it's all finally potted up, that will tell me what we have available for sale. But I don't know exactly what that number is until everything's in its final pot. Then I have to create signage, or our team, we create signage for all the varieties, because with 45 varieties of organically grown tomatoes and about 22 varieties of peppers and herbs, chances are no matter how long you've been growing tomatoes, you're not familiar with everything that we're going to offer. So we make signage and pictures and descriptions for every variety of everything, and then an inventory list so people can pre-shop and kind of have an idea of what they want to buy before they get here. So plenty of work. Oh, and by the way, individual tags for every plant. Fortunately, this year I got smart and I finally invested in a plant tag maker, which should make a big difference, assuming I can get the software to talk to the printer. Optimistic there. And then sale day, but that happens with a lot of work at the last minute every time. It's kind of like I feel like I'm taking a drink of water out of a fire hydrant, but that's okay. It keeps things exciting, but the calendar is flying by with less than 3 weeks to go before everything goes on the tables. I'm doing the best, but there are always challenges. So anyway, that's a behind the scenes for now, and I thought you might enjoy seeing what all goes on with this. And I will bring you back for a couple more of these before the sale day, and even on sale day maybe, if I can catch my breath in order to get that video done. Okay, so that's it for now, and I'll see you back here soon.